Well, folks, in today's video, we got a new model train, and some cool stuff with this one. So, a buddy got this train for me, so he got me this model train because he knew I was interested in one just like it, and he found one and got it for me, so I was really stoked, and here it is. Got packing peanuts. Move that off. So it is a Mahano or Mikado. There's two different ways to say it, I think. Pennsylvania locomotive, and supposedly it runs. We got the information just in case like something's wrong with it. Which, even if it is, I'm going to fix it because I'm gonna probably oil it and clean the commutator anyway. But I do think it is brand new, so we're gonna. In the original box too. Oh man. I do think it is supposed to run. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is so cool. Look at that, there's the tender. The wheels look brand new. Shit. This is so cool. And then here's the train. Oh man. Oh, and it smokes too. So you can put smoke fluid in it. And I gotta dust it up because it looks like it's been sitting for a while. So, yeah, let's take it over the track and test it. Because Mahanos are built, like, big time. But, it may not work because it's been sitting. So, let's see. Oh, it works. Hesitated there for a minute. Gets the shell off. And then the commutator probably needs cleaned. Alright, I always forget how to open these up. You have to do it like this. Too much. So here's the wiring. We want to leave that be, but the commutator is pretty dirty, so we're going to stick a fiberglass pencil in there. There. Actually, not that dirty. We just gotta be patient because this might take a minute. Yeah, these gaps are definitely dirty. And if your Q-tip or your toothpick doesn't fit, just grab a knife and shave it. Just don't cut yourself. For trains, just for a lot of things, if there's dust in these little gaps, like in these little spots, like this locomotive, then you definitely want it because it gets it right out. And another reason is no, that was a silly idea. Well, that took forever. That shell was misery, dude. That was wow. I love Mikado, but I do not like how their things work because they're like, you have to put a piece in with a piece and a piece. Alright, so I got the shell on, and then the motor wire got kinked and it didn't work. So I fixed the wire and it works really good now. So that commutator clean definitely improved the working of it. So now we're going to clean the drive, which probably doesn't need cleaned because there's probably no oil in it. Oh. I'm a railroader, and I have a couple model railroaders that watch this. This is one of my favorite oils ever. This is I've tried 3 different oils in my 5 years of model railroading. This stuff, some other oil, I don't remember what it was called, and then 3-in-1 oil. This stuff makes your trains work better, in my opinion. Alright, so now we're going to oil the drivers. So if you don't oil these, And especially for a locomotive like this, they will snap after so much time. Alright, so that's done. And then we're gonna dust it up with our trusty dusty brush. Alright, so the locomotive is pretty much done. Alright, we're gonna put the locomotive aside for a moment and take this tender off because I want to see if it has lights. I think it should. Okay. Yep, so the light doesn't work. Alright, it works alright, but alright now, oh man. Now we're gonna dust this up. Oh man, this is neat a bit. Well folks, it is all complete. Let's see how it works. I put some smoke fluid in it too to see if it would smoke. Oh. There we go. Let's see if it starts smoking. Oh, there it goes. You can kind of see it. Well folks, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you're watching this, Brandon, thank you so much for this locomotive. Huge shout out. This thing is really cool. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work on the smoke because I don't know, it like puffs out and then it's like gone. I think I have to clean it, which is fine. But yeah, this thing is really cool. And I love Mahano because they're pretty easy to work on. Just they're a little fiddly, and then they're very compatible. So if you ever wanted to change something, you could. So I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and punch out.